Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sandtown, or 11 miles southeast of Douglasville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Decatur, Jonesboro, East Point, Stockbridge, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Fairburn, Morrow, Hateville, Avondale Estates, Lake City, Belvedere Park, Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Candler McAfee, Druid Hills and Rex. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe